Software Spring. Presents. Which to use, find or search, to search for text, in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which highlights the differences between the find and search functions, and tells which of the two functions has an edge, with examples. I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Okay, for an intro to find and search, please refer to their exclusive tutorials, whose links are given in the description. Going forward, let's begin by a quick intro to find and search. Find and search, return position, a first character of a substring, within a string. The syntax of the find function formula is. Here is the syntax of search function formula. Note that both the syntaxes are exactly the same. Alright, let's use find and search to get the position of this substring, of this string. Let me first use find. The formula for this task is. This is the substring. This is the string. This is the starting position of the search. That is, search is started from the first character of the string. Let me type the formula. Alright, find has returned the position of the first character of the substring. Now, let me use search for the same task. The formula for this task is. Let me type the formula. Search function output is also the same. Let me type this character in uppercase. There you go. Search has returned the position. This means search is not case sensitive. Find has returned value error. This is because find is case sensitive. Let me change this character back to lowercase. Search supports two wildcard characters, question mark and asterisk. Find does not support wildcard characters. Moving forward, let's see the wildcard characters in action. Say, you want the position of this hyphen. The formula for this task is. Copy this formula to this cell. Find returns 14 as the position number of the hyphen in the string. What if you do not know which character appears after this hyphen, but know that O appears after the unknown character? The answer is, use search with the question mark wildcard character. Here is the formula. In this substring, the first character should be hyphen. The second character can be any character. And the third character should be O. Copy this formula to this cell. Let me change the substring. There you go. Search has returned the position. Find has returned the error, because it does not support wildcard characters. Now, the question is, which to use, find, or search? Definitely, search has an edge over find, because of search's versatility. Summary. Find and search both return the position of a substring within a string. Find and search function formulas have the same syntax. Search has an edge over find because of the versatility of search. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.